what you do, and
All right, Byron, Dallas native. Texas, I mean, is a place that I love, but as you know, in Texas, it's super, super hot. Hence why you're here.
yeah.
But like I said, Dallas native. I work as an executive for Southwest Airlines. And all around, I think I'm a pretty chill guy, if I have to say that. So,
Yeah, no, of course. I mean, that's the impression I got.
hey,
So,
I like to think that. I don't know. I'm glad you received it.
so what were you going through that led you to reach out to us?
Absolutely. So purchased this home about a year, and the one drawback is that it didn't have an automatic sprinkler system. So for the past year, I've been waking up every Tuesday and Saturday morning, trying to water the lawn. Some days I'm effective, other days I'm not as effective. It just really depends. So I think going through that hassle just really made me prioritize the fact that I was ready for a sprinkler system. And plus, I noticed how the yard was uneven and not really, I think, being efficient in terms of how it was being watered. So I was hoping to get that with the automatic sprinkler system.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. And then, so how was your experience with our company and everything?
Yeah, good experience. So it's so crazy. First and foremost, I was so frustrated one Saturday morning that I immediately went in the house and got on Google, typed in sprinkler installation, and a couple of places popped up, but you all popped up specifically. And I noticed you all were a smaller family-owned business, but had nothing but 5-star reviews. Clicked on the site, read the About Us, saw that your father was a fellow Booker T. Washington grad. I graduated from Booker T. Washington, and I said, yep, this is my answer. So reached out, asked for a quote, initially got a response. I think the very next day you all came out and looked at everything, gave me a good quote, and 2 weeks later, here we are.
Awesome. Yeah. And so how does this finished product make you feel? What do you think?
Man, one, I feel like the house is complete because we now have a sprinkler system. Two, I'm excited that I don't have to wake up and manually water the yard anymore. And I'm hopeful that the yard just will look better over time because it's getting the right type of watering and it's more consistent. So that's my hope. Ultimately, I feel good. Minimal. You can't really tell how much involvement it took to watch the guys do the work, but ultimately the yard still looks good, even with the finished product, and the watering, the sprinkler system works perfectly, so I'm super happy.
Awesome. And what would you say to someone who's thinking of working with us?
Hey, you will not regret the decision to work with On Point Contractors. I will say that they're personable. They do the right thing for their customers. They deliver hospitality and the customer service. So I would say, don't regret it. Reach out, and they're more than willing to accommodate whatever scenario you have. So that to me is my parting words of wisdom for someone thinking about reaching out to On Point Contractors.
Well, I appreciate it so much, Byron.
Awesome.